Mouse?
Pagkapangan mo nga. Net. Pagkapangan mo. Itong gumagapang. Lang.
Artista na. Gabe. There. Here, come here. i-explore niya, nakita niya na naruro niya yung buwan, oh. Ha? Tatlong beses na niya binalik-balik. Tapos, naas niya, tapos binalik niya. Ulit, tapos naas niya, binalik ulit. Oh.
Marami silang pangarap na buwan.
Wala eh. Hindi kami sinuwerte. Baka siguro meron akong mas magandang saan sa amin dalawa.
Left hand na niya ang ano.
Wala naman eh. Sabi ko sana, nandun lang din ako kasama. Hindi nga ano ko, wini-wish ko sana kung bakit siya sa dreams ko.
Here. Game. Game.
Ah, sige na. I love you na. Ah, sige na, love you. Ano kasi siya? Mahal na mahal ko siya.
Yan na.
Buhay ko nga binigay ko sa kanya. More than my life. Pwede lang buksungan ko yung buhay niya para mabuhay ko siya.
Ano, binabangon niya eh. Kaya. Ano ko? Kanina pa minamanyover ng paano niya tutumbahin eh. Oh, so now, he's studying. Nabakan niya doon. Oh. See? Oh. Naisip yan.
Sabi nila, madali lang yun. Pero pagkatapos yan, bilat na ang pagka-Pilipino ko.
Ano mo dito? Dito ka sa likod tumahan. Sa likod tumahan.
Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Here. Bring it here. Naloko na! Naloko na!
Kasama ko ngayon dito si Danny Garcel, ang bida ng pelikula ni Bernie Miguel.
Okay naman yung kanagaygan ko, pero ang sakit ng katawan ko, lalong meron na siyempre yung
Dana, sinabi mo na nakita mo itong driver na talaga namang napakatuling magbaril at naramdaman mo talaga, wala ka bang sinabi sa kanya?
kasi siguro sobrang pagod ko, diba? Sobrang antok na rin ako. Hindi ko na siguro na kaya magsalita pa. Trained ko kasi ako na yung mga gusto kong pagawa, gusto kong sabihin, dapat sinasabi ko muna sa lupa.
Ano totoong nangyari nung matapos sa sukan? Paano talaga ang ginawa ninyo? Paano nangyari? Nakalakas na ba ng sasakyan?
Here. Here. Okay.
Ibaba mo. Gumapang na, gumapang.
Yung dalawang pa ako, binabalad ko, tapos dislocate ko yung mga
here.
Sinabi mo nga na halos isang taon ng recovery para sa'yo. Baka yan financially okay ka naman ba? Kasi syempre, di ba matagal na walang trabaho, ikaw ba ang breadwinner sa pamilya?
Okay mo.
Handa na ni Raymond?
Happy mo na.
Ano na
Big baby. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Huh? There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And walk. Walk. Oh, walk here. Walk. Okay. Walk. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? How you made it? Where are you going?
This way.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, sit down. Sit down again. Get up. Up again.
This
One.
way.
Oops. Oh, okay. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're tiptoeing. You're tiptoeing. Oh, you're tiptoeing. Huh? Okay. Take a step. 1. Huh? Oh, you want to tiptoe? So, okay. 1. Oh, no. 2. Ayan na. 1. 1. Maintindihan mo! There. Yeah. Look at Grandpa. Look at Grandpa. Okay, there you go. Oh, up again. Oh, up. Oh.
Record.
Love para natin love.
Ay, mistake.
Ano in love, hindi na kayo tapos na ang relasyon. Bakit pa rin napunta yun?
Ang sakit! Bakit parang ikaw ang tinamaan? Pero ganyan talaga ang love. Basta nagmamahal ka, mahirap mo na maalis.
Yes, love and love till it hurts.
Tingnan mo
Pag
to.
masakit na, love pa rin. Yes, tuloy-tuloy. Para sa mga umibig pa rin. Kahit naglaro na ang pag-ibig nyo, ang music master para sa inyo. Yan.
Tama mo! Sina Miss Shasha, Miss Scooby na, and Gary! You like Martin? Or Gary? Gary.
Ayun naman niya.
Nakatalikod eh. Harap mo nga dito sa...
You wanna walk? Like, oh, are you dancing? Oh, 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 Gabe is dancing. Look, look, Gabe is dancing. Look. There you go. Walk, walk, walk. There you go.
Oh, blood. Opo mo na mag-isa.
Look at that. It's red. There you go. There's green. Green. Teddy bear. Where's teddy bear? Teddy bear. Flower. Flower. This is fish. Fish. Birds. How many birds are there? 1, 2. Count, count, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's another one. Oh, your book, your book. Yeah. Here's another one. What's this? Where's this? Where's this? Look, there's baby Gabe. There's baby Gabe. Here, here. Here. Ayaw na. Okay, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Bye, bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Huh? Right. Bye, mommy. Hi, mommy. Say, mommy. Call mommy. Call mommy. I'm here. Gabe, 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 Gabe. You know how to throw it, huh? There you go, throw.
Hindi.
Alam niya magtapon eh, throw it. Throw it.
Ala, no?
Tatapon eh. Okay. Ah, yan. Nakuha mo. Tatapon siya. Here, 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 here. Here. Gabe. 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 Gabe.
Pull your toes.
Come here.
Gabe.
Gabe. Here, here. Ay, naku. Uyaw. There you go. Other one, other one. Down, sit down, sit down. Here's your toy. Here's your toy. Look at daddy. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count, 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 count. 1, 1. That's it. That's it. Okay. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good boy. Huh? Where are you going? Lakad. Ayun, yung tapon. Whoa! There you go. Pick it up. Pick it up. Here. Here, color, color. Here.
Wala.
There you go. Came out. See? There's another one. Here's another one.
Sawa
Another
na.
one. There you go. There you go. Ayan, ayan. Ayan na. Ayan eh.
17-foot jump shot, but when he comes back, until he's really in pain, forcing the Golden State Warriors to call a timeout and tend to his physical maladies.
Okay. Dandan. Okay, yeah, sige. Ito.
For the first time in Philippine international
Ay,
television,
dapat malayo pa ko eh.
worldwide will witness the gathering of Philippines' brightest luminaries as they celebrate TFC's 10th anniversary in the historic simultaneous telecast of ASAP Global Mania. Beaming live from Manila are the bravura performances by Shasha Padilla and Culadesma, Bea Alonso, Sarah Geronimo, Mark Bautista, Nina, King, Sharon Reyes, Eric Santos, Ana Benji, Between Escalante, and Gary Valenciano, with a special participation of Miss Leia Salonga. And from the USA comes the major staging of the concert event of the decade, ASAP Global Mania, live at Cow Palace in San Francisco, with the participation of top-rate Filipino performers Joey Albert, Louis Reyes, The Hunks, Mickey Barrios, Gene Taji, John Lloyd Cruz, Mia Prats, Kayan, John Prats, and Hart Evangelista.
Look at your foot, your leg. You're lying on your right leg. Now what is it? What is it? Oh my God, look Love. Hug grandma. Hug. Hug grandma. Oh, love naman. Tingnan mo lang. I love. Say bye-bye. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Oh, there. Oh, lambing naman. Tingnan mo naman. Ang lambing naman. Love. That's Angel. Angel. Huh? That's Angel. Okay. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say, Grandpa. How are you? Say, come on. That's Angel. Kiss Angel. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss Grandma. Oh, sweet naman. Naglambing na naman. Oh, that's bye-bye. Say bye-bye over here. Say bye-bye. Grandpa. Oh, yeah. Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Oh, yeah. Grandpa, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Goodbye. Oh, lambing naman. Lambing naman. Hug Grandpa. Hug Grandma. Come on. Oh, lambing. Lambing. Oh, I see. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, love. Embrace. Hug. Lambing. Say lambing. Say Grandpa. Hi. Say bye. Bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hi. Broom. Say broom. Where's broom? Broom. Oh. Anong ginagawa mo? Aray. Uy, tayo. Not there. It's just... Love. Embrace. Room. You go to the car. There, go to the car. Come on. Over there. Oh, here, you play. You play here. There you go. Huh? Mommy. Oh, yun na siya. Oh, alam niya, oh. Tulog siya. Not there. That's dirty. Oh, there. What will you do? You sit there. Di mo ano yun? Oh, sit. Room. Where are you going? Oh. Yan siya, maupo na raw siya. Oh. Room. Adan. Yan. Oh, sit there. Hey, bye. Bye.
Itaas mo yung gulong. Itaas mo yung... Oh. Hindi, itataas mo gano'n.
Oh, here. Oops. Oh my gosh.
Meron po kaming advanced training sa 22, SM Manila, 6 p.m. po kami. Meron kaming Parade of Stars sa 23 ng alauna ng hapon sa buong Manila din. So, abangan po ninyo yan.
suportahan po ninyo lahat ng pelikulang Pilipinong kasali ngayon sa festival para po sa ikabubuti ng lahat ng
Hindi ko lang maiwasan sabihin yung kaibigan ni Bong Quintana na talagang tagahanga ko rin si June. Dito to ito, Jean Reynolds, Buenavista, Marinduque. They want to come over to Manila because they want to watch Isabel.
Ginaganyan lang ganyan. Ay. Inaano na. Oh, let's move that. Move to Grandpa.
Doon na.
Dito sa malayo. Hindi mo makikita.
Dito.
Ayan, Ayun, nakita mo? Ayan, inaano niya, Ini-stop niya. You're using your thumb to stop it from... You use your thumb to stop it from, what you call that? There you go. Ayan, there you go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This also. Vroom, this one also. Bakit to? Ala yun. Vroom. Say, vroom. Say, vroom. Vroom. Say, vroom.
No light.
Here.
Hindi mo ako susi.
You cannot. Here. Over there. It's there now. Okay, thank you. What'd you say? Say thank you. Yeah, it's open. It's open. The door is open. Yeah, close it. Close it.
No light eh. all right there. Look. La 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 la.
One of the prettiest faces I've seen of Myrtle
Lumapit.
is a senior at the College of St.
What does the quack say? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. What does the bird say? Pero hindi niya nilalagay sa bibig niya. Ay! 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 Nice! Ay! Nice! Nice grandpa. Nice grandpa. There you go. Tinan mo siya ni. Oh.
Parang si Roxanne at si Sandy yung tingin kanina, medyo may galit na naman.
May gusto kayo sabihin?
Ay, meron ako gusto sabihin.
Sorry, kasi kanina ko pa tinititigan, hindi siya makatingin sa akin.
No, the other one.
Bago sa likod ko.
Okay, go back. Here, here, here.
Sandy, yung sa akin yung kumanta. Kaya,
Come here. Come here. Okay. Come here. Want to? Dan. Nabagal ko siya. Dito mo po nananin. Pagbalik niya dito, nan mo. Tatawagin dyan. Tunan ng daddy. Here. Yan na. Dala? Put it down. Yan.
Nakanakas. Two.
Yan. 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 Naku, nakatawa pa. Here, come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Bring it up there. There. There, up here.
Tama na yan.
Real life on.
Oh, open. The door is open. There. Here. Back here. Back here. Here.
Great returns. Tiebreaker when guys serve as big as that. It can be 1 point here, 1 point.
Pinabalik niya eh.
I'm sitting there looking at it, and sometimes I can be amazed. Like you're sitting there, you can't even realize that 66% of the first serves in. He's probably averaging low 130s. It's pretty amazing. 16 aces, only 1 double fall. With an almost equally big serve.
So, alam na niyan, go.
Guys played here 3 times in a 2-year separation not playing. This is the 3rd time he's been in the second week. Quarters the last 2 times, and now in the 4th round, hopefully he's running away. But it's going to be different match because he's
Alam niya eh. Binubuksan niya eh.
really good backhand. It's going to be much more of a ground stroke.
Tama siyang kamay. Let's see. Boom, boom. Let's see, honey. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Again. There you go. There you go. Kunan mo ni. Ayaw niya mo. You don't like that? That's nice. Just push it. And play with the wheels. Who's that?
Never takes a day off. Jennifer Capriati also still some work to do in the first set of her match. Will come back. Capriati and Dempsey for a spot. Round 16.
Yeah, they don't play. Roll it. Like that. Roll it. You can roll it. See this one? See this one? Oh. This one? There you go. You can roll it.
Rowdy
Come on.
had trouble at the French Open for string tension every match.
See now? See?
He would switch to a different racket about 2 or 3 times.
Tired? Tired?